Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Summer, the weather is hot. Today is hot and tomorrow gonna be hot. And you know what I mean, if you have an idea and you want to share it with Chef Ricardo, please do so. My idea, you can make it at home in your kitchen, sit in your back garden, have a nice lovely smoothie or a drink or a lemonade drink or something to keep you cool for the day. I want to say thank you so much guys for all who subscribe to the channel, leaving your comments. It's amazing recipe and it's amazing to the fans, and if you know that Chef Ricardo always I put up recipe 24 hours. Every day we put up recipe. We love the cooking and we cook every day. Me and the team working very hard. Thank you so much and see you next time. Remember you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook like page and also Google Plus page. Get a copy of my cookbook 50% off. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back. Welcome back again guys. Anyway, the weather, the time is hot. This is the real summer. Alright? And choose the real summer. At the moment we are, you know what I mean, getting a few juice out of the telefans. Them say, listen, you can make yourself a nice lovely drink. Sit in the back garden with your umbrella out. You know what I mean? Drink some nice lovely juice. Play some music. And this is where it comes in really handy. So basically, I just brought just a little case of mango, which is right here, roughly about, this is about, say, this is a medium-sized mango. Basically, you can use Julie mango or your favorite mango when you like. You can get the frozen mango, but this is the some fresh mango which I brought in the pack. Ready? You can get to any local shop, supermarket, and just buy a pack of fresh mango. Or they do got the one that which is already frozen. So I just buy the fresh one. The fresh one is more nicer. Alright, straight inside of your smoothie blender just like this. And it's just a quick idea, quick recipe for the summer. You know, summer still on, seeing where the weather is warm out there. And that's it. Look, lovely and nice. Then right here I have half glass of milk. Right here we're gonna pour straight inside of it like this. Next thing, you need some ice. Quite a few ices, alright? Then honey. When you brought in your honey, make sure you buy the right honey. Don't buy the one which have the sugar inside of it. Buy healthy honey. Roughly one nice good 2 tablespoons of honey inside of it. Very quick recipe at home in the summer. Alright? Then bang. Nice lovely mango and milk smoothie. So blend this roughly about 3 to 4 minutes and good to go. Nice. So just finish blend it. Basically let's see how it look. Oh man, this smells really nice. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Really rich and nice. And then what you can do is serve this with a nice lovely piece of a lemon. Fantastic. I want to say guys, this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and we work very hard to find lovely recipe like these guys, to be honest. And as you can see, also you can put a little piece of a fresh mint just like that in it, just to give it a nice lovely look for the summer. The summer time is hot and we need juice and drink in the summer, yeah, guys. As you can see, lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. We got a lot more recipe coming up. Mango and milk smoothie, healthy recipe for summer. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.